Le spás amháin a le cenis roing an tríd a lína an aireocht le Loch Garman nó an Iarmhí anátaí ainú agus ardú céim a bhaint amach. Ag frachar bhí an dún. Bhí Carach Bombernach agus Charlie McGeever a Loch Garman don chluthe cnúnach seo.
Seansa Higgins agus a fáilte scór siimplí a scór má. Cartan leis, Sarlas cumann níomh Lomond, Ama go tar faoi, a chasan sean cáin sin
We were cruising at a stage in most of the game, and when we came up and we controlled attacks, we seemed to do well.
14 attack at Bork. August has score for to get it up the soon.
2-3 years ago, we were playing here in mid-division 4, where you can hear conversations in the stands, you know.
Sam McCarthy le paid as a gate that a nor shot should score double to.
Bhí gach chumar go raibh an Iarmhí chun cluiche bhuachant go léir tríd.
9 minutes a gear staff. Agus a ball! Hold fad. Jonathan Lynham.
Níor stoppa mar. Glanmar a raig.
And the Thuncha pass. And the Tundi took his staff. Cole back to that go. Here ahead. Agus Sean Ryan.
Uoranta, ní go minic ach uoranta obaríonn sé amach.
Tá sí fáilte to get paid into the fornia. Fáilte cú. Fáilte Loch Garman. Oh, Samadina. Cool. Ex Sean Ryan and Donna Cool.
I think we've just worked so hard that I always thought that someone was going to show up with something, and I remember that forever, I think.
That's one of the most sickening results I've ever had now. We led for 69 minutes and 54 seconds.
Tá mí dul dí srathadó agus ní féidir é sin na creatant.